Tell us about Gemini in Chrome.
Gemini in Chrome is your AI browsing assistant. It helps you make sense of the web and gets things done using the context of what you're already doing in Chrome. So it's become core to how I use Chrome these days because I can easily get information I need without switching between tabs. Gemini in Chrome is smart, it's easy to use, and it's built right into Chrome. Now, we launched it earlier this year, starting with early access for Google AI subscribers, and we have some exciting news. Starting today, you'll no longer need to subscribe to access Gemini in Chrome. We're rolling it out to Mac and Windows users starting in the US. And since we're talking about bringing Gemini in Chrome to more people, we're also excited to announce that it's going to be available to businesses through Google Workspace with enterprise data guarantees and controls. Another exciting capability we're bringing to Gemini in Chrome is integrations with Google products like Calendar, YouTube, Maps, and more. It can also use the context of multiple pages at once to help me understand the bigger picture and even recall previous pages from my Chrome history to help me pick back up on what I was doing. Now, I could talk forever about the many capabilities, but instead, let's show it to you.
Here's how I use Gemini in Chrome at work. I'm always looking for ways to better manage my time and came across this video about boosting productivity. The site is full of great tips, so I'm going to ask for a summary. Oh, this part of the video about focus time looks interesting. Let me jump ahead to that section to learn more. The speaker mentions creating blocks of focus time without having to go to my Google Calendar to manually schedule focus blocks. I can easily ask Gemini in Chrome to do this for me. Create a focus block between 8 to 10 a.m. for half an hour every Monday and Wednesday and an hour every Friday. All right, that's done. Now I can jump to another task, like planning some fun for our upcoming team get-together. I was looking for some inspo about this earlier. I used to hoard my tabs, but now I don't have to because I can easily ask, what were those team building activities I was looking at last week? I have a few options and I need to make a decision. Given Gemini and Chrome can read and reason across open tabs, I can ask, what works for a group of 10 and takes less than 30 minutes? Rather than me flipping back and forth, it can take in the context of all of the pages at once. What would have taken me 10 to 20 minutes, Gemini and Chrome did it in a few seconds.
I love hearing about all the ways people are using Gemini and Chrome. It gives me new ideas to try out.
Will this work on phones too?
We're bringing the power of Gemini and Chrome to mobile as well to help you research and learn on the go. Just like on desktop, it can help you answer questions about what you're reading. Gemini is already integrated into Android, so you can bring it up on top of any of your apps. We've made Chrome and Gemini work better together by sharing the context of your entire page and not just what you can see on your screen. For iPhone users, coming soon, we're bringing Gemini to the Chrome app to bring you a similar delightful experience.
Matt, come on down.
Hey!
All right, I guess it's my turn.
All right.
Jump right in.
Get more comfy.
All right, one more thing that I'm super excited to tell you about. We're bringing agentic capabilities to Gemini and Chrome. This means that in addition to helping you get things done, it can actually do things for you. So now, Gemini and Chrome can handle those tedious tasks that take up so much of your time.
That sounds cool. Show us how it works.
Absolutely. Let's say I need to put in an order for groceries. Normally, this would mean opening Instacart, searching for items, adding them one by one. Now I can just have Gemini and Chrome pick and order my groceries for me. And it could do this in the background while I focus on something else, like catching up on my emails.
Does it go through with the purchase?
No, it stops right before the final purchase so I can review and make sure everything looks accurate. That said, it's good at following directions. It's not going to order 100 avocados without me saying so. You see, I'm always aware of what Gemini and Chrome is doing. I can stop the process at any time. This is what intelligent assistance is all about. It's taking on tasks that used to eat up a lot of my time, and it's simplifying them to just a few clicks. And I'm always in the driver's seat.
Tell me what else it can do.
Oh, lots of things. So far, I used it to reschedule a delivery when I was on vacation and set the appointment for this haircut. Now, it's still early days for this feature, but from the outset, we've been very intentional about keeping people in charge. As with all Google AI tools, we're committed to building features that protect your personal information and deliver trustworthy experiences. We're eager for trusted testers to try it out, and we're aiming to roll out these agentic capabilities to more people in the future.
And we know developers want to make sure that people get a fast and reliable experience when web agents use their sites. So we're exploring standardized APIs to help optimize existing UIs and functionalities for agents.